Welcome to the latest edition of Women's Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Northwestern researchers reported that dual positive circulating cells were linked to worse overall survival in advanced breast cancer, beyond standard circulating tumor cell counts. The signal was especially notable in triple-negative and HER2-positive disease, suggesting a possible new blood-based marker for risk assessment. A global health commentary highlighted that cervical cancer elimination remains achievable, but progress depends on closing gaps in vaccination, screening, treatment, financing, and broader access. The piece emphasized that lower income settings continue to face the greatest barriers to meeting WHO targets. Waters announced FDA clearance of the Onclarity HPV self-collection kit and approval of the paired BD Onclarity HPV assay for at-home use in the United States. The company said the approach could help reach unscreened and underscreened people by reducing barriers to cervical cancer screening. Corbis said FDA broadly aligned on a registrational path for CRB 701 in second-line cervical cancer and HNSCC. The proposed randomized studies would use objective response rate for potential accelerated approval and overall survival for potential full approval. GSK shared early phase 1 data for mocertatug rezetecan in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer and recurrent or advanced endometrial cancer. At the highest doses evaluated, confirmed objective response rates were 62% and 67% respectively, with duration of response not yet reached, supporting plans for phase 3 development in 2026. Survey data presented by ICEYE showed that patients with endometrial cancer reported a high burden from chemotherapy, strong interest in alternatives, and a need for more discussion around treatment choices. The findings point to growing attention on patient experience and shared decision-making in care. SIMO505, a CDH6-directed antibody-drug conjugate, received fast-track designation from FDA for platinum-resistant ovarian cancer. The designation supports closer regulatory engagement as the ongoing phase 1 study continues dose escalation and optimization in advanced solid tumors. Researchers at Seoul National University Bundang Hospital reported an algorithm using tumor panel tiering and variant allele frequency thresholds to identify candidates for hereditary gynecologic cancer testing. In 702 cases, 19 patients were flagged for additional testing, and all 4 who underwent germline testing were confirmed as hereditary cases. Stay ahead in women's health research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert